Let's dive into today's explainer. We're looking at a very specific, quiet kind of isolation we all face.
You're lying awake, you know something's wrong, but the very first thought is, who can I possibly tell?
Like who won't be totally burdened or just offer you cliche advice you didn't even ask for?
See, this isn't normal loneliness. You have people around, but the door to your problem is completely boarded up. We mask it with excuses, right? Like, I can handle it, or I just don't want to burden anyone. But listen, these aren't just excuses. They're actually deep psychological defenses that you've been building up for years. The internal logic is flawed, but absolute. Asking for help equals weakness, and honestly, weakness means danger. Or maybe you got burned. You asked before and got cold rationalization instead of real human connection. Then there's the wall built from caring. You stay quiet because mama worry, or your friend is already stressed. Now here's a really dangerous trap specifically for the caretakers out there. The strong ones.
If you're everybody's pillar of support, allowing yourself to actually look weak feels practically impossible, doesn't it?
So check out this quote. This vicious circle isn't just a tough situation, it's a rigid psychological structure. It's totally held together by silent beliefs. Like that your problems just aren't worth anyone else's time. The root issue here is a deep-seated terror. Your brain literally thinks speaking up is fundamentally dangerous. And that creates an exhausting paradox. You end up choosing predictable pain over the risky vulnerability of reaching out. Here's the final trap. We often stay silent just waiting for the quote-unquote right words before reaching out. But here's the truth. The words don't come before you talk. They literally arrive during the conversation itself. So, let's ask a few honest questions. When did you last share something truly difficult about yourself? Beyond the whole standard, I'm fine routine, who actually knows the real truth about how you feel? If you absolutely refuse to burden others, do you even give yourself the right to struggle at all? Imagine having zero risk of being misunderstood. If that were the case, would you finally ask for help? You know, breaking this circle doesn't start with a perfect solution. It starts with just one honest question. You have every right to know this trap exists, and you absolutely don't have to stay in it forever.